Question 7 says work out root root 2.4 divided by 0.6. 2.4 divided by 0.6. Okay, so you first of all carry out the operation under the root sign. Okay, and this is equal to 2.4 divided by 0.6. And 0.6 into itself is 1. 0.6 into 2.4 is said to be 4. Another way you can solve this is multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. This gives you 24/6. It does not change the sense of the fraction because 2.4 divided by 0.6, when you multiply this by 10 and you multiply this by 10, the numerator and denominator by 10, is as good as you saying you are multiplying it by 1. And when you divide, it gives you 4. So this is equal to square root of 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. So root 4 is 2.